So I'm sitting here working on my emails and I realized that I have not answered this question. I was just doing some writing this morning and I was like, I haven't really answered this question. Why did I make a fire management book? Why did I publish a fire management book? And I felt so passionate about it that I stopped it and republished it. Well, when I started to learn how to barbecue, I did not know anything. I never owned a grill before, didn't really grill before. Um, I just, you buy a house, you get a grill, you got to learn how to grill. That's some homeowner shit, right? Um, but more so, I was tired of going to barbecue restaurants and coming home disappointed. Because I really like barbecue. When I started to learn this, the internet had really just started to get popular with tutorials, YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, all of that stuff. So I started to look more into barbecue and I would go try stuff, right? It would suck because there was information that I wouldn't get, right? Um, People would tell you to spritz. Using a binder was super popular, but not very many people talked about how to actually do it, how to run your fire, how to run an offset. I remember when I just started to try and learn the craft, I'd never seen a video of the Weber kettle. I always just saw them and I thought that was just a bullshit grill. So I created Wrangling Fire to appeal to people who need the information that I needed when I started to learn how to manage a fire, how to cook many different things on one grill. Like your Weber kettle is not just for burgers and hot dogs, right? Your offset can do so much more. You don't have to have the most expensive because that's what the tutorial videos would do. They would show you these really nice grills that the biggest company paid this influencer to put in their backyard. So I wanted to give people something different. Every grill that's featured in my book are just simple backyard models that anybody could buy. You could even buy them used. You could go on Facebook Marketplace and get into your barbecue that way. This is why I made Wrangling Fire. I want people to not struggle the way I did to learn how to start a fire, right? I want people to not have to suffer through shitty brands of charcoal. I want people to not use lighter fluid to start their charcoal. All those things are what I want. And I wanted to leave something memorable as part of the barbecue community. So thank you guys to everybody who has pre-ordered already. I appreciate it. Pre-order is still live until June 26th when shipments go out. So I hope everybody gets a piece of this pie. Thank y'all so much for the support and I hope you have a great day.